Bloxygen is powered by argon gas to save open cans of oil-based paints and varnishes from being ruined by exposure to oxygen and moisture. It's a non-toxic spray that creates a barrier between the air and liquid in a can to make polyurethane, wood stains, and other finishes last longer. Here's how. Argon is heavier than oxygen, so it sinks down inside a can and blocks oxygen and moisture from curing the liquid. It acts kind of like a protective blanket. The gas is inert, so it won't react with other chemicals. And it's non-toxic and non-flammable too. The can will feel empty because it's only full of gas, but you'll hear and feel it when it sprays. Maker Steve Zawalik is a woodworker and nuclear engineer, so he was the perfect person to create this scientific approach to preserving finishes. He even checked in with a NASA-funded makers program about how much gas could fit in each can. When you use Bloxygen, opening up a can won't result in an unwelcome surprise, like yellowed paint or a skinned-over varnish. Your finishes will be as good as the first time you used them.